My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
I like that it doesn't sound like anything, it's just stock. I'm running the downpipe to my old exhaust that still has the resonator and the muffler. Keyless start. Let's do this. Gotta have that DTC off for extra boost and fun. This ricer is parked so close. This is an automatic, but it's flashed with the single turbo XHP, so it's pretty quick now. Even some friends that drive manuals told me this is more fun. Let's do a third gear for you guys. So 3,000 RPM, let's go. Let's try second gear. That felt pretty good. You can tell how it's like a stock sound right now, but once you step on it, the wastegates open up and happiness flows out. Right. Second gear. Woo! That spun out a little. I'll just turn around somewhere over here. I have some plastic on the. When I go over 70 miles an hour, it just scrapes. Hopefully it just falls off one day. I don't know if that is a cop. No, detour. So fast. I mean, it's only speed limit 45. I didn't show any videos of progress when I installed it, because I don't really want to be a how-to YouTuber. I just want to take the viewers with me, show them what I'm doing a little bit, and just have them implement it, tell me some ideas for mods, so we can go through this together. And please subscribe and like the video, just so we can move forward, have more videos coming out like this, do some more mods to the Beamer, because this is just the beginning. Maybe find a second car to mod later on this year, something V8 preferred. Yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on Instagram and the next video.